Shades and Ghosts and Little West of the Corvette Boys. Getting ready to run a quick moto, y'all, out here on Turtle Hill on this beautiful day in New Jersey. Big shout out to everybody at Corvettes of Carlisle. And they're off. They're in the first turn, everybody. They're off. Power, man, you know? What? Ghost out here putting down serious lap time. It's going down, y'all. Shades is trying to fix the berm down there a little bit. It's a little rutted out. It got rutted out pretty good down there, so he's trying to fix the berm. Yeah. It's going down, y'all. Corvette Boys, like, comment, subscribe, and share the videos. We got more great footage coming up. We got mini bikes, Corvettes, Harleys, go-karts. Hey, look. We got a little bit of everything going on here today, y'all. Big shout out to my dog, Max, that passed away, y'all. We call him Big Max. Five, 4, 3, 2, down, go. They're off, y'all. We got a little nug out front. Shades is in second. They're coming around the turn. Nug is trying to hold them out, trying to squeeze them out on the berm. All right, they're coming around, y'all. Nug is still in the lead. He's still in the lead. Oh, Shades might pick him up on the back of the track, though. Let's see what's going on here. Who's going to come out on top? Shades just got by. He just got by. He just got by. Oh, Nug threw a chain. That's why. He threw his chain. Oh, Nug was holding his own. He threw his chain, man. Man, that's, oh, wow. Nug is really riding fast out here, y'all. You got to realize what you see here on camera has nothing to do with what's going on in real life, you know? Corvette Boys, like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Share the videos. Corvette boys, y'all. That's how we do it. We ain't playing. Mini bikes for life, y'all. That's how we do it all day. Don't attempt this in your own backyard now. Corvette boys, y'all, we done check out the go-karts up here at Turtle Hill, and it's a beautiful day, you know what I mean? The weather's just right for it. We got shades coming around here the first bend. Yeah, the cart's running good, y'all. He's coming down. Get things together here, you know? It goes that way sometimes, y'all. They just go sometimes.
That's how the Corvette boys do it. That's real Corvette boy style right there. Real motor style. Yeah.
Big shout out to everybody out there in Carlisle. Corvettes in Carlisle, y'all. Corvette boys here making it right on Turtle Hill. We didn't catch y'all this year, but we'll be out there next year. It's running good, running good. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all.
Corvette Boys on YouTube. Corvette Boys TV on Twitter. Corvette Boys on Instagram. Follow us for more exciting content all the time. We out.
Been around